I purchased a 4-foot tiller for my tractor. If I put the back flap down, it tills the soil fine. If I keep it up, the soil is about 1 to 2 inch chunks. Which is the best way to till my garden? Soil chunks or super fine? Thank you. This is from Richard from Greenville. So we're going to come to you, Mr. Tom.
Okay,
What do you think about that one?
As a man who likes tillers,
I know you like tillers.
one of the reasons why the difference between the chunk and the fine is when the flap is down, the sod is being thrown against it, and it bounces back, gets retilled again, so you end up with a finer piece. Whereas with the flap up, you're tilling it and again throwing it out without it being recycled. It's kind of like a mulching blade. We put a plug in it. The blade going around throws the grass against the plug, bounces back, and cuts it even finer. So that's what's happening here.
Okay.
And I personally like the fine stuff.
I would agree with that.
I think Joellen does too.
But
yes.
sometimes if you go out like around the cotton fields, they don't go through that trouble. They just be chunky, but then the cotton seeds don't have any problems in it.
Right.
But for vegetable gardening and so forth, finer is better.
Finer is better. So you would agree with that?
Yeah, I would agree with that, because that's what my husband has a tiller for the back of our tractor that he tills ours with, and yes, I like it nice and fine. But what the most important thing is to watch with how when you're tilling it. You make sure the soil isn't too wet or it's not too dry. It's just the right moisture, because then you're going to get the right consistency of your the fine or the coarse
The Goldilocks
soil.
effect.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to be too chunky, too.
Yeah.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.